Hey there, budget buddies. If you're using EveryDollar, Dave Ramsey's awesome app for taking control of your finances, you might want to print out your budget for a quick reference or to share with your family. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step. It's easier than you think. First things first, make sure you're logged into your EveryDollar account on your computer or mobile device. If you don't have an account yet, it's free to sign up and get started. Once you're in, head over to the Budget tab, which is usually front and center on the dashboard. This is where all your income, expenses, and categories are laid out. Now, look for the Options menu. It's often a three-dot icon or something similar at the top right. Click on that, and you should see a Print or Export option. Select it to open the print preview. Before you hit print, take a second to customize. You can choose which months or categories to include, adjust the layout for better readability, and even select a PDF format if you don't want to use paper right away. This step is super helpful for keeping things organized. Once you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and click Print. Make sure your printer is connected and has paper. Nothing worse than a budget jam. If you're going digital, save it as a PDF to your device. Pro tip: double-check your budget for any errors before printing to avoid any surprises. And there you have it, your EveryDollar budget in hand. Printing it out can make tracking your spending even more tangible and motivating. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Let's crush those financial goals together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.